How good is it?
Good.
My name is Brian Malarkey. I'm in San Diego, California. Got an amazing wife, Chantel, 3 incredible kids. I've been cooking my whole life. It's all I know. I'm a restaurateur. I am a competitive chef on TV, so that's a lot of fun. And I'm just here to throw parties for people and make sure everybody's having a good time and celebrating life. The kitchen in our home, Team Malarkey right here, this is the center of the universe. This is where you watch your family evolve, your kids grow up, and there's knowledge, there's laughter, and it is just the lifeline of the entire family. Fun is the goal. So when I am cooking with the best possible equipment and having fun doing it. Because of the opportunities that COVID gave us in 2020, it was time to pivot and really look outside the box and outside my comfort zone and do something I wasn't doing at the time. So we started doing these online cooking classes where we eventually started shipping ingredients to everybody around the country and inviting people into my home on a nightly basis to cook with me in my house as I was with them in their house. So as the one conducting the classes, I figured I had to lead by example. And so it was time for me to do a little upgrade also, so I was able to reach out to my good friends at Monogram, and now I am cooking in style and in class. As you can see, my kitchen is very clean and kind of timeless, and that's the way I look at Monogram. As chefs, I guess we're almost like race car drivers. Even when I start all my cooking classes, I'm like, all right, ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. And we preheat our ovens up there. So I need an oven that is like my race car that responds to my intensity. Monogram is very similar to what I use in my professional restaurants in the fact that they're very responsive. If I want heat, I have heat. I want it hot and I want it hot now. There is life after 350. But it also has the ability to be very, very precise, and you need that precision for baking. You've got the probe inside there. It keeps track of everything. It knows exactly what temperature it's keeping. My precision happens a lot faster. I get a hot saute pan, I start searing on top, so it's super hot, and it's got the bottom heat, and then I go right into the oven, so it's got the surround heat. So I get everything cooked very, very fast, very crunchy and caramelized and umami flavors that I'm looking for. And then it does have the delightfulness of flipping your grates and being able to do a wok station in your house, which I'm having so much fun with because the kids and I are both in love with fried rice now. Everything is perfectly sophisticated. When you open the door, when you turn the knob, when you turn it on, when you're touching it and feeling it and seeing it, it feels so solid, so real. It is meant to last throughout time. You know, timeless as it is, that's the way our house is designed, our kitchen's designed, and that's why Monogram appliances are a perfect fit for myself and my family. It's a story of who we are. But at the end of the day, it's all about hanging out with the family and eating and celebrating life, all right? I love cooking, but I love my family more. So when that stuff's all taken care of and I can sit down and relax and not have to worry about anything else, that's what I want at the end of my day.
Cheers to the family, guys. Cheers!